everyone. Today's video is about phrasal verb, which is splash out something. Basically, splash out something means to spend a lot of money on buying things, especially things that are pleasant to have but that you do not need. एक्चुअली ऐसी चीज़ें जो हमारी ज़रूरत नहीं होती बट हम सिर्फ यूं ही उसे खरीद लेते हैं. अगर हिंदी में कहा जाए तो फालतू में पैसे उड़ाना. Here we can see that useful in topics like shopping, hobbies, lifestyle, leisure activities. And you might get the question like this: how do you kill your time? So you can give the answer that I splash out in mall. Second question is, do you like to splash out on branded shoes? What do you like to do on weekends? Now let's see the examples. First example, I decided to splash out on a solo trip around Europe after getting a nice bonus. Second one, she splashed out $500 on facelifting surgery. Next is, my sister is shopaholic and her favorite leisure activity is to splash out in malls. Next, how much did you have to splash out to get that party dress? Another one is, he splashed out 65,000 rupees on a mobile phone. She wanted to splash out on a new dress. Last one is, many people splash out on weekends or during holidays. Hope you understand the examples and the meaning of this phrasal verb. If you understand, then please try to make sentence and use it and share in the comment section. Thank you. Have a good time.